Do I have to pay a church tax or a solidarity surcharge if I move to Germany? So let's just dive into this topic and welcome back to another video here on G-Tax. My name is Roland Elias. I'm a German tax advisor, and today we're going to talk about the church tax and the so-called solidarity surcharge. For all of you, not all people have to pay the so-called church tax, in German Kirchensteuer. It's only paid by the members of official recognized churches. For example, Catholic churches, Protestants, and some others. The charge is between 8 and 9%. It's of your taxable income, and it's depending on the state you're living in Germany. So it's a federal state tax. This will be automatically deducted from your salary, and you will see it on your payslip if you are an employer. If you're a business owner or a rent or just renting some properties to other people, then this will be deducted from your taxable income and you have to pay it yourself. It funds church activities in Germany. That means like salaries and other social services will be paid in Germany by the so-called church tax, and it is also paid by some religious communities. But can you opt out? And yeah, this is the hard part. For some expats who are moving to Germany, it's a real shock if they are moving to Germany and then have to pay the church tax. The only chance to get out of this is leaving the church, the so-called Kirchenaustritt. Yes, it's a very hard break you have to do. If you are in Germany, you have to do it at your local registry office and you have to tell them, hey, I want to leave the church. For some real believing Christians or Protestants or something like this, it's very hard to opt out because they I'm a believer like this, but on the other side, I don't want to pay 8 to 9% of my salary to the church. Then this is a real hard problem. If you want to opt out of the church tax, you also have to pay an administrative fee, and this is around 30 euros. This is for the charge for your deregistrations. So once you're out of the church, you're no longer to pay the so-called church tax, and this is like the only way to get out. The other ways, if you don't want to pay the church tax, don't come to Germany. So the other thing is the so-called solidarity surcharge. This has been introduced in 1991 to fund the reunification in Germany, but in the history it also has been used to fund some wars. It's not only for unification in Germany. The charge is 5.5% of your income tax, so it's not on your taxable income, it's on your income tax. That especially means your income tax and then 5.5% of this. As of 2021, the solidarity surcharge has been reduced to a lower percentage of taxpayers in Germany. Only round about 3.5% in Germany already have to pay the taxes. But who has to pay it? It's the people who are earning a lot of money and pay more income tax than 70,543 euros per year. So round about 80,000 euros. And for married couples, it's round about 36,000 euros per year. If you pay more income tax than this, then you have to pay the solidarity surcharge. This is surplus like this on your income tax, and it is already divided by many problems in the past, because some of the taxpayers are trying to avoid it and try to get rid of it. But in this year 2025 there has been a new the government said, okay, no, we will keep it, and there will be no zero payment in 2025 or 2026. So it will stay, probably forever in Germany. So to already know for you, if you're in a church or if you earn more than a lot of money, like 18,000 paying taxes per year, then you have to pay the solidarity surcharge and the church tax. So you have a lot of deductions to your net income. So what's your opinion on the church tax and the solidarity surcharge? Just keep it up in the comments.